I'm Collin Mangrum, owner and operator of Mangrum Commercial here in Dallas. We're a tenant rep-based firm. We assist clients throughout Dallas with their office lease needs and retail needs. We also do a little bit of land acquisition and disposition, and we work to help clients with investment sales. We started looking for a web designer partly because we needed a presence on the web. We reached out to JSL, and they were very transparent from the very beginning with the process, and it was a perfect match, and they really assisted us and did a great job.
Collin came to us looking for a website and a brand. He also wanted to communicate to his target audience that they were a luxury brand. Based on our meetings with Collin, we realized they were really looking for a straight-to-the-point, minimalist, sophisticated design. We didn't want it to have to rely on an icon or even color to communicate the luxury to their clients. Based on the logo design, we took a similar direction with the website. Simple, black and white, easy to navigate, which directly appeals to their target audience. If they jump on your homepage and they can't get to your services immediately, they're already onto another website.
Whether it be logo design, designing your whole website, JSL is your one-stop shop. I said they can do it all. My main thing is they're very punctual and they're very transparent. So we appreciated that, and I know everyone else will too.